thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have an introduction for a new project pan. This was created by Allie, who also created Panning Punk. She also created Batiste. She is Wonder in Alleyland, and I will have her linked in the description box down below. This is Alice in Wonderpan. So as you can probably guess by the thumbnail and the title, this is a project geared toward Alice in Wonderland. Now, I'm not gonna lie, Alice is not my favorite cartoon. I think I've seen it one time, but I love these kind of projects and I love the prompts, so I thought, heck yeah, let's join, let's do it. So there are 19 prompts. It starts today. Sorry, my computer has moved there instead of here. It starts today, which is March 5th, and goes through March 4th, 2023. There are 19 prompts. Choose as many as you want. It's rolling style, and we update every month. So I think I've decided to do, let's see, there's 19, 12 months. Let's do, I'm gonna go ahead and roll in 4. We'll roll in 4. I'm gonna see which ones I get, because some of them are things that I'm currently working on. So if it's something I'm currently working on, then I'll re-roll. Let's bring up the Pretty Random app. We're gonna clear the history. 1 to, we're gonna do 2 to 20 actually. Okay, let's do, what did I say? 4. 13. 19. 3. 16. Okay, let's start with 13. 13 is the Cheshire Cat, a lip product. Okay, next we have number 19. Number 19 is, why is a raving like a writing desk? A give me product. That is a dry shampoo. Okay, got it. A dry shampoo. A give me product. I'm using a dry shampoo. Oy vey. Number 3 is Mad Hatter, a product that drives you insane. Okay. And then number 16 is, where'd it go? Number 16 is White Queen, a product that makes you feel mature, poised, or elegant. Okay, I'm gonna go grab these and I'll be right back. We're gonna go in numerical order. So number 3 is excuse me. Number 3, Mad Hatter, a product that drives you insane. I'm bringing in this. This is the Origins Checks and Balances Face Scrub. This product itself does not drive me insane. What drives me insane is the, what's the category? It's a sample, and I have, you guys, I have a shoe box full of samples. Plus there are samples in every single project I'm doing. Plus I'm doing the Advent Calendar project band, which is all about samples. I have too many samples. So this is one, we're gonna bring it in. My goal is gonna be to finish it. All of the goals on these are gonna be to finish it. Number 13, the Cheshire Cat is a lip product. I'm bringing in this. This is my NARS lipstick in American Woman. You can see I marked it. I was using this in the Rayla Pan collab and then I lost it. It's been found. My goal is going to be to finish it. I may go ahead and just weigh this too. We'll see. I haven't quite decided. One that I will definitely weigh will be, I'll get to that in just a second. Number 16, White Queen, a product that makes you feel mature, poised, or elegant. I'm bringing in this. This is the Pharmacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. The reason why I feel like this makes me feel mature, poised, or elegant is because I finally have a skincare routine that's working and that I'm consistent with. That's been my issue probably since my mid-20s. It's like I'd get into skincare and then I would drift away from it. And I'd get into skincare, then I'd drift away from it. But I've been pretty steady with skincare since like 2020. So I feel like I've matured. I have mature skin. But I just love skincare. I love the way my skin feels now. So yeah, my goal is going to be to finish it. And then the why is a raven like a writing desk? A give me product, that's this. This is the Batiste Dry Shampoo. I'm currently working on this one, but you can hear it's just about done. So I'm going to go ahead and bring in this one. My goal will be to finish. This is in the Sweetie scent. have no idea. So yeah, that's it. That's the intro. Updates every month around, I'll probably go around the 5th at some point. You guys know there were a lot of projects that started the first of the year, like the first week of the year or the first day of the year. So it'll be on or around that date for sure. So if you're interested in joining, all of the information is linked in the description box down below. Excuse me. Per usual, let me know if you've joined this one. I'd be really interested in checking you out. You can use the hashtag. I always put the hashtag in my title if you're interested. What else? If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you will consider subscribing. Other than that, I love your faces and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.